and welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Laurie and
Emily. Hi guys.
Emily's here joining us today she works in product development with me and helped me stitch out these wonderful fun things. So I'm glad you're joining us today, and we are going to show and share some of our fun new products here. We call it It's a Wrap, and as you can see, it wraps around items. So much fun, you're gonna love it. Do you want to tell us about how many designs we have?
So we have 9 different designs. They come in 3 different sizes. So this one that I'm holding right here is the 5x7. Then Laurie has the 6x10 and the 8x12. So the 3 of them have the flying geese, and there's 3 different words for the flying geese. And then there is also, shown on this one, there's the rectangle blocks. There's 3 of those ones, and then there's also a triangle block one. There's 3 of that size, so 9 in total.
Yeah, so each one of these 3 have 3 cute, fun designs on it, and 3 sizes. So that gives you quite a few, all in all. That's so much fun. Let's talk about some of the fun ways to use these.
So Ruth from Iowa said, made the wrap today and love it.
Oh, I'm so glad. Ruth, if you don't mind sharing what you are going to put it on, I would love to see that. And would you share that with us? I would love that.
It's always cool to see everyone's new ideas.
Yeah.
One of the ideas that we had was putting it on the sweet tubes. So these are our large size sweet tubes, and the 5x7 size will fit around the sweet tubes. So it's a great way to fill it with candy or whatever and give it as a gift.
So much fun. So we'll just show you an example here. First of all, quilting friends keeps you in stitches. Look how fun that is. And what a fun idea, just throwing some thread in. What a fun gift for one of you or for you and a friend. Always make 2, right? Make one for yourself, and as you can see, this one has the flying geese, and look how fun this quilting is. You can see the fun quilting. Hopefully that is just so much fun. And along with that, if you were to make this small, this is the medium size.
So the small you could also put, like I said, on the sweet tubes. And this one we have bobbins, so what a great way to just keep your bobbins handy next to your machine with a cute little attached.
And you can see the flying geese on that one as well. So fun.
Oh, Ruth says she's putting it on a canning jar and putting M&Ms in it.
Oh, I love it.
That
Great
one is so
idea.
cute.
Which design was it?
She didn't say.
Oh, I want to know which design it was. How fun. Well, Valentine's is right around the corner, isn't it, Emily?
Yes.
So what a fun way to share and show your appreciation to your fun sweetheart. Hello, gorgeous, right? How fun is that on just a candle? And this shows our rectangular. And there's designs that have the stripes across, and there's some that have it up and down and vertical. So it's just fun quilting on each of them are just slightly different. So much fun. What have you got, Emily?
So this one here is a jar, like we were saying. This says promoted to grandpa, and then we have another one with promoted to grandma. So what a great way to announce a pregnancy or that you're having a child. And you could even similar to this, you could fill it with a color, and you could do a gender reveal along with that if you wanted.
Oh yeah,
to show that.
Fun. You could do all blue or all blue or all pink. So much fun. Okay, this is like one of my favorite designs. Pilates? Oh, I thought you said pie and lattes. I love this. This is what a fun idea. Now check out what a fun idea we've got wrapped here. So this is the large one, and it says, of course, the same saying Pilates. Oh, I thought you said pie and lattes. And it's around a pie filling. How fun is that? What a clever idea.
It's a great way to give a gift.
So much fun. For your exercise buddies. How fun, right?
Another thing we wanted to show you is we also have mug rugs, which this is the free demo December that can be found on the Kimberbell website. It's a free download, and so you can make a mug hug to go with your rug.
And then, aren't those cute? So this would be around your mug that's sitting on your
and then it can sit on your rug.
So cute.
Such a fun combination. So if you think of our other mug rugs that we already have out, here's another fun one. Right here. Hello Sweater Weather. And you can see this cute little snowflake up in the corner.
And the
We have a
quilting.
Snowflake Quilting Mug Rug. And that right there,
The quilting.
look at
on
the
this.
quilting is
Oh,
fabulous.
so cool.
Isn't that fabulous?
Love
And
that.
so that is something really, really fun that you could double
Pair
up
'em
with
up.
our other mug hugs.
rugs.
Mug rugs. Man, I'm mug hug rugs. And this is just another really sweet one. Hug in a mug, and you could put something sweet and special for a friend that maybe needs a little extra hug. So fun. And we've got that same one. I think we showed this earlier, but that's so cute. The mug hug.
Around the actual hugs. They're the chocolate
Yeah,
hugs.
Oh, that's right. So you've got actual hugs. How fun is that? And the last thing, I wanted to show you this messy bun. I don't know if we saw this. If you notice that these are scrunchies. What a fun little gift for a daughter or for
It'd be
just
cute
a
sitting
son.
on your vanity.
Oh,
or-
yeah. Messy bun and getting stuff done. And that's just so much fun. That's what you would do. So those are so much fun. And I am so excited. We're going to share with you a different new product next week, along with maybe a fun little tip that we can share with you. And we really appreciate you joining in today. Please send us pictures of anything that you might have made that you can give other ideas. So it'd be, it's a wrap. What's in your wrap?
There we
Share
go.
that with us.
Tell us what's in your wrap.
Tell us what's in your wrap. Thank you so much, and thank you, Emily, for joining us
Thank
today.
you.
And we will see you next week. Bye-bye.